Yeah, so what price actually did was she went, grabbed liquidity, and then as price broke those highs over there, that's when I wanted to be in. That's when I actually executed on the position. And then she ran and hit that TP1 area right now, which is quite nice to see. I am anticipating price to actually come up and fill this entire range over here. So let's see if she can do that. That would be very nice this morning. Nonetheless, boys, you got that lovely 10 pips. MFX members in the Zoom, who got that? Jason, did you leave your buy stops there? Very nice. Okay. 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 What you can also do in that time, you can like put TPs on partials. You can do that as well. Like split your position and then you have TP on a partial position. Okay. Just add this. Good morning, Mr. Mark. Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning. Let me just journal that quickly. How was you guys trading yesterday? Gold, London, longs. Let me just see the timestamps on that. Oh, 840. Oh, 846. That was a 10 pip trade. It's another dub. Type 4s based off of that 15. Yo, we had some hectic Wi-Fi issues for the past weekend, bro. Yesterday was the ultimate though. I think my Wi-Fi only came back on like the evening. Okay, well, so obviously this trade is done. That is a win for us this morning. I just want to break down gold quickly for you guys so you can see what I see and see what I saw and how I took that position. And then obviously it's not even London open yet. So just to get you guys also prepped for your day, let's have a look quickly over here and what's actually happening on gold at the moment. Okay, so what we see over here is we see gold pushing towards that resistance point on that weekly. Let's check this quickly. Yeah, so we have gold pushing towards that resistance point on the weekly, closing on that daily above the level of 24.25. The weekly is nice because it's ascending, making higher highs and higher lows within that structure, which is really nice to see. And then on that what do you call it, on the daily as well, trading above the level 24.25. Looking to the left hand side on the daily, you are creating higher highs and higher lows in the structure. With that being said as well, you have a beautiful area on the left hand side to actually wick fill yesterday's wick, as well as if you look to the left hand side where price is right now. If we can start trading above the level of candlestick resistance, which you're at right now, 24.33, we can anticipate price should actually fill to QP for sure, 100%. Popping down to that 4 hour, you see on the 4 hour I never really found my zone. So the zones of the 4 hours is going to be that liquidity zone there 100% and that liquidity zone there 100%. However, on that lower time frame, you will see that price has retested that level, so it has the legs to push to that level right there, as well as these highs up there, just because you've gotten that retest on that 30 minute, which you'll see now. Can you guys see how what price did was it closed above, retested, grabbed liquidity once again, trading above another resistance point to continue driving to that high? That's how I see it, and that's what gave the trade away for me. Looking at that structure as well, it should be 4v0. Let me just change my bias over here, 4v0, because that 30 minute is now also bullish. So when I came to the charts this morning and I did my pre-analysis, the only thing I really saw was the buys. Obviously we'll have that idea as to how we can sell, etc, etc, but the buys just made the total sense. Then at that time as well, there was no top wick on this 4 hour, creating a steep bottom wick. So that already is going to tell me that if I flip my 4 hour, boys, just make sure that when you jump on Zoom, your mic is muted. So with that being said, with no top wick, right, already I anticipated that as we start to create that top wick on the 4 hour, the 30 also never had a top wick at that time. As we start to flip, we should then see volume, and that's the volume we got in that trade, and that's how it played out so nicely. 4 hour also making that higher highs and higher lows, hourly closing above that level of 24.31, which was also that 30 minute resistance I just mentioned. So then I found my zones on the 30 minute like this. So these were my zones. So it was this level here, and as you can see, what happened? 30 minute closed above, right? There's a 30 minute closure above. This was a candle that was open at the time with no top wick, and then I had another level right there, and I'm going to explain to you why I had the level there and not there. Okay, and then obviously my final level, which was there. Okay, popping down to the 15, that's why you'll see I marked it out as a 15 minute trade. Popping down on the 15, boys, what I saw was price closing above, retesting so deeply. However, that next candle closed back above the level, showing me that if I'm going to be breaking that highs over there, we should then drive to continue up. Why? Because this was then seen as price grabbing that deeper liquidity for price to start trading above the level, creating higher highs and higher lows with that structure as well. Still, price should continue to the upside. I then had a 10 pip TP over there, and she smacked that and went to take profit. I closed about 80% at that point, and then the rest obviously got stopped out at break even. Now looking forward, obviously, for price to continue, I would see an opportunity for another long position right about there, targeting these highs over there for 37, and then your stop is going to be tight over there for about 43 pips. I'll actually make it tight, to be honest. I'll pop it right there, 36. That would be the next position I would look at. Obviously I've already taken my position with you guys live this morning, so I'm not going to take another trade, but that would be the position I would look at. You're also then trading above that resistance point right there, which would then make me understand that as price starts to trade above that candlestick resistance, it should fill this whole wick on the left hand side. So all I'm seeing literally today on gold is buys, boys. 5 minute looks very nice as well, with your 5 minute support being there too. So definitely for those that possibly didn't take that position with me this morning, you can look for longs 24, 33, 80, and you can look to run it up to these liquidity levels here. Your TP1 will obviously be like there, 24, 34, 87, and then you'll let the rest run. So if you didn't catch that 10 pips with me this morning, this is your opportunity to possibly catch another move, obviously on your own, because I'm not going to take another trade. I've already taken profit, but that would be the next setup that I would have looked for if I had looked for positions. Okay. Any questions on that, let me know. And let me just do this quickly. It was actually a very nice trade this morning. She played out quite quick.
losses, my I'm trying to win again and win again and win again. I ain't taking minimums, my destiny was written in. Coming with a different scent, coming with a different stench. Smelling like greatness and I spray it every day, that's the latest. Moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings.
Okay, any questions on that, boys, regarding the trade that I took this morning, or possibly the next trade that I mentioned over here? So this would be the setup if I hadn't of taken that longs this morning. Very nice setup on both ends. Does it put a W in the chat if you guys understand? If you understand that. You have 19 viewers. I'm gonna give away a $5,000 challenge today as well. Put a W if I should do a giveaway today or tomorrow. Put a W in the chat if I should do a giveaway today. Put a 1 in the chat if I should do it tomorrow. Just because Thursday I won't be on stream. However, we will have a YouTube stream on Friday. Reason being, on Thursday you'll see me somewhere else. Let me leave it like that. I'll be a guest somewhere else. So I'll obviously share the link with you guys so you can watch me. I'll still be calling trades. Yes sir, Charles. That's the one. I don't think you guys want a giveaway. Shit. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? YouTube is quite quiet. MFX members, I'm gonna do a private giveaway for you guys after stream. So just make sure that you're in the MFX group for that, and then also the group in the MFX Zoom. Jason was our lucky winner last week. So if any of the MFX members is on YouTube, pull up to Zoom. Yeah, Jesus, I got you. Baven, I sent that message yesterday, bro. I don't know why it... Well, obviously I know why it didn't go through. It's my Wi-Fi. Can you hear?
Yeah, we had it tough. Yeah, we had the pressure and the pressure done its stuff. Oh, I'm not flexing when I'm brushing off the dust. No, all this pain and the tears.
No stress, guys. I'm gonna. Yeah.
Gotta earn trust, avoid fuss. Maybe you don't know the facts, you don't know enough. You can judge me where you want. Every day I send love. Every day I do me. Makes me wanna see you. Makes me wanna see more. Makes me wanna see through. Maybe we become one. Maybe this is the thing. There's an energy and flavor to the things that you bring to the table. Any way you're able. Real work turns into gold when you're stable. Now life feels
100%. Yeah. I'll explain to you guys what's happening. In the Zoom after stream. For those that is looking for a trade, this would be the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna call it for you guys. You can throw buy stops 24, 33, 76. That's what I would do. And then my stop would be beneath the previous 15 candle for about 36 pips. Targeting 38 pips, 24, 37. Your TP1 is going to be obviously 10. Right there. A little TP there. So this would be that trade. Almost like a get on the bus again vibe. Yo, my brother, sounds like you're under the water. Why? Onder die water. Much better, yeah. Nah, I think you're floating now, lekker.
Why is stop loss under the previous 15 minutes not
because you can still pop back and grab liquidity. So this candle can still come and do this, poop, grab liquidity, and then go. Because there's still liquidity here. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. I guess it depends on the situation, but definitely I would want it to be in a second. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So this is where I would take the trade right now. Okay. TP1 would be 24.34.72, and she should run. No topic on that 15. London open now as well, so we want this to pop up before it drops down, because if it pops up immediately as it goes to pop up TP1, in this case I'm closing full right there. TP1 hit, closing full position right there, I'm done. Can anybody tell me why I did that? I'm telling you now, MFX is unstoppable. We call these trades like it's fucking water. It's easy shit. But there's one question though. Why did I close the... hold on. Before you comment. Why did I close the whole trade at TP1? Even though it can run. Why did I close that whole trade right there? Nobody said... There's no what? No previous candle had no top wick, current candle had no bottom wick. There was a high probability it could flip and come back down. I don't want to be part of that. So even though the trade can run, I'm gonna grab that 10 and move. Look here, MFX is the best. I'm telling you now, bro. How many trades do we call like this? And it's just Malka. Friday as well, I think I called two moves as well in the MFX shoot. Kill. What it is. MFX is the best. We're calling this trade like it's water. That's another one. DJ Khaled, man. 20 pips called for this morning. Look, obviously she could have run. I mean, she ran there to she hit 20 pips, but it's not about. I could have held longer. It's not about that. It's about understanding the concept behind the candlesticks, because this thing it's gonna create the bottom wick. It's gonna do it, and that can happen at a different time. It could happen earlier. It could have happened later. This thing can go and tap liquidity and then make a bottom wick. It can also not have a bottom wick. But where's the medium? What is the probability? The probability is always if price opens with no previous top wick and no current bottom wick, it's gonna form that bottom wick. And I don't want to be in that drawdown, because this could change the game completely. This thing could have done this and then that, and or even that, pull us right back down. I don't want to be part of that, man. So I'll rather take my money and I'll leave. Let's just have a watch. Look there, there's the bottom wick. Do I wanna be in a trade like that? No, I personally don't. That's not my strategy. Make my money and I'll leave. No. YouTube is going to be an early one for us today, because that's another 20 pips called on stream. If you took that trade, put a W in the chat. If you learned something today, put a W in the chat. All my trades are called live, so if you're here for the first time and you see me trade live for the first time, we do this every day, Monday to Thursday. We call live trades. The trades that I take are called live for free on YouTube. Yeah, man, so hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, man. That was a nice smooth one. It played out very nice. 3-minute trade, 10 pips. So when Charles, can I jet this journal off to you? Things are looking a bit crazy for July, eh? Things are looking a bit crazy. 1 loss, 11 wins. That should be about 201 pips so far, if I'm not mistaken. Because obviously didn't add up that yet, so adding these 2 dubs here, yeah, it should be like 201 pips for the month so far. And we only lost 18 pips. GG's. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. This right here is exactly what I'm talking about. Do I risk GG's grams, GG's. Do I risk percentage or fixed lots, bro? I do fixed lots, brother, but according to a percentage that I've calculated for the account run risk. So for me personally, 1 and 3, well actually 0.5 and 3%. That's what I recommend my students to do. This right here. That right there is your biggest lesson for today. So it's not about making the money. The money's going to come regardless with the way we trade. But these nuggets that you find on YouTube for free, make sure that you grasp it, boys. Because this happens over and over and over again. Now regarding this top wick, nobody knows how long it's going to be. Unfortunately, you don't know how long it's going to be. So that is why at TP1, because obviously when I took the position, the idea was I'll let it run, right? TP1, close partials, let the rest run. However, when in that case it opens with no bottom wick after creating no top wick, I know it's going to create a bottom wick. I know it. So you want to get out of the position at TP1, and that's what I did. Because let's say for example now it didn't hit that TP1 prior, I know it's going to come down, and then you in drawdown for it. Or let's say for example it hits TP1 but you only close partials. Why would I want to leave that even on the why would I want to leave the runners even on the table knowing that it could come down? So that's why I closed everything at my TP1 at that level. And it's 9 o'clock, and once again we are done. If you've been looking, because I know a lot of people pull up late to the YouTube stream. If you look at the times we catch the trades, boys, they're early. They're really early. Today's trades before London Open, last week's trades as well. Look at this. Either before at London Open, you get the odd trade here and there that's a bit later. That's fine, but where's the medium? You know what I mean? You talk too much. Goodbye. What? Goodbye to you too, my brother. Have a good day. So yeah, that was today's trade. Clear, simple. MFX members on the YouTube, just come to Zoom. We're gonna do that private giveaway for you guys quickly. And then on guys on YouTube, if you want to level up your trading and trade alongside myself as well as the rest of the students, we do offer a mentorship program, which is actually like a learn and earn. Gives you my course, my mentorship, all of that good stuff. Where is that thing now? So it's right here. Those are my links right there. That's the mentorship program. You can join that to level up your trading. Over here's the broker that I use. That's the prop firm that I recommend. Use code MFX for 35% off. And then that's the Instagram business page. Yeah, today was a quick day. Quick in and out. So YouTube, I'm not going to keep you guys. I called 2 trades today. Both of them were winners. Nice and early. We can go about our day. We made our money. So MFX members on YouTube, just make sure you pull up to Zoom. I'm going to do the giveaway. YouTube, I'm going to love and leave you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just note that Thursday I won't be on stream. But I'll fill you guys in tomorrow. Okay? But MFX members, you'll see me every day. And then also YouTube, Friday, as I normally don't go live on YouTube on Fridays, I'm going to go live on YouTube this Friday as well. Okay. Guys, let me love and leave you. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. God bless. Ciao. And then MFX members, just make sure you're pulling up to Zoom. Let's do that giveaway quickly.